Hey everyone, we've got another two for this week. We've got some modern Cadillacs. The first one is a SLS STS. This is the third generation. The first two were front-wheel drive. This one was rear-wheel drive. This is claimed to be a Kyosho. This would have been a dealer edition that I think came from China. This has some nice features. I don't know if you can tell, but you can lift up the spare tire cover, which is pretty neat. And of course that's carpeted, so that's a nice detail. Paint's decent. This of course is real, good old-fashioned die-cast. The mirrors fold in. Nice little detail. Grill work is pretty good. Let's open up the hood. This would have been a North Star V8, or I think about a 3.6 liter V6. In this generation you could also get a V, which I think was a supercharged North Star. So that's always neat. No one makes a die-cast to my knowledge of the V version though. It's rare to even find one these days. Carpeted interior. Interior overall is pretty good. Let's see if I can get the rear door open. Rear door. Quality's pretty good overall. I don't know if this is truly Kyosho. Again, that's the claim. This was $85 including shipping from Japan, which is very good because shipping alone is usually about 25 bucks for something like that. Packaging, typical dealer edition. That's the outer carton. I think it might be Kyosho because the styro has this little wrap over it, which Kyosho seem to have been doing for the past few years. So car number two is a XTS. The XTS, I think, came out in about 2014. It's a front-wheel drive platform, though typically offered in all-wheel drive. I think it shares the platform with the Chevy Impala. Again, the mirrors open and close. This is not claimed to be Kyosho. It's kind of nameless. One of the more unique features is the sliding sunroof. That's pretty neat if you ask me. I would describe the color as a metallic gray. Again, the grille work is pretty good. These had, again, the 3.6 liter V6. There was a V Sport where you could get a twin turbo V6 with about 400 horsepower. Again, carpeted trunk. No removable spare tire cover though. There, it's open. Interior again is pretty good. Carpeted as well. Let's see if I can get the back open. Again, pretty detailed model. This is, I'd say, on par or above a typical Norev. Similar in quality, but a little bit better to the S-Class that I reviewed a few months back. Very good quality overall. Again, I got this for $85, free shipping. And the packaging's kind of interesting. It comes with a pick tool, which is always nice. And a kind of a nicer than usual display package, which opens up to reveal a felt lined base with a Cadillac name plaque that says, you know, XTS. So that's a little nicer than usual. Very nice presentation. Very nice model for $85 shipped. Very happy with it. Even comes with a little pick tool, which is always kind of nice. Although I wind up never using them, so I have a collection of them. So that's it for this week. I think next week we've got another pair. I think I've got a pair of BMW concept cars that have been begging for review. And as always, keep liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one.